हेलो, कौन है यहाँ? Hello, hello, help me. I am here and lost. Thank you for helping me. Hello, by the way, what's your name? My name is Ali. Hi Ali, thank you for helping me. I am Lisa. Nice to meet you. Okay Lisa, bye bye. See you again. Bye. Take care.
Missing you, Lisa.
I don't know where is my new friend. Lisa, missing you. Should I take her number? Hi Lisa, nice to see you.